Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country so we be Nigeria. Once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates. We get reports from my table like this where the general public need to be aware about. And this informates my good people. Now updates concerning the things and things where they play for inside Rivers State. And the cocoa now be say the former president of this our green white green country wey be Goodluck Jonathan. He don last chook mouth onto the matter wey dey play for inside Rivers State. He don last put mouth for the suspension of the Rivers State governor wey be Sir Fubara and other elected officials dem for inside Rivers State. And wetin the former president talk for the matter fit surprise many countrymen dem. He don let the general public know, he don let country people know say he no choose side at all. He go stand by in truth. Now, no forget, say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don plaster a state of emergency on Rivers State and even suspend the governor of the state wey be Sir Fubara plus his deputy wey be Ngozi Odo and all members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. This suspension now go last for 6 months. And our president still yarn for him broadcast say the move, so the declaration was a necessary something to restore stability and bring back peace in the midst of the political tensions between Sir Fubara, who be governor of the state, and the 27 lawmakers of the Rivers State House of Assembly. And still on that Tuesday for the broadcast where our president make, he also appoints the retired chief of naval staff, who be Vice Admiral Gbes, as the Rivers State sole administrator. And on Thursday for inside last week, the National Assembly, will be the Nigerian Senate and the House of Representatives, they can approve the emergency rule. Then onto this development, so onto this declaration where our president Goodluck Jonathan plaster for inside Rivers State, the former president of this our green white green country, will be Goodluck Jonathan, he now don't come outside the yarn and say the decision of our president is very much harmful to the image of this our nation Nigeria. He say men need to do the calms, say the things and things where they play now, it no make sense at all, especially the levels where they happen for inside Rivers State. Key actors for inside executive and legislative arms of government, they paint the country in a negative light and no good. And based on the political beef where they go on between the Rivers State governor and the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu now don go plaster declaration, and that indecision, so that declaration, it get the potential to negatively affect our nation Nigeria's ability to attract investment. And he also criticize the judiciary for putting mouth onto the matter and the yarn. Say the things and things where the judiciary now they do for this issue, so it fit undermine public trust. If you make country people now no can trust the system again, Goodluck Jonathan now can dey explain. Say now the thing don't be like culture, it don't be like normal thing. Say former president usually they avoid putting mouth when it comes to political matter. They like comment on political issues, and you get why. And the reason why now be say they want prevent further tensions. No be say they don't know wetin to talk, no be say they like wetin dey happen. But if you go talk something now, countrymen go come go misinterpret. If you go talk something now, countrymen go come use them as excuse to create more tensions and chaos. And him will be former president for this our nation Nigeria, if we don't decide to himself say he no go put mouth for the crisis or the tensions where they play for inside Rivers State, he no go contribute, he go just close the mouth, he go look the other way. But men now don't dey pressure am, countrymen now don't need honors, making talk put, saying he has put mouth because say him from Niger Delta. So that's now why last he has drop his point of view about everything wey dey happen for inside Rivers State and our nation Nigeria. And according to how talk they come aside from him mouth, he say as a former president and also from the Niger Delta, when the issue of suspending Governor Fubara of Rivers State being come up, the first thing women can do na to on him and the former president Olusegun Obasanjo, say make them talk something about the matter, make them contribute. People now can expect them to do something about what they happen. And of course, people no know say traditionally, as in all over the world, former president they hardly contribute, they hardly make statements about current situations on an administration. They hardly talk about what a sitting president they do, because of their talk fit go create more tensions for inside the country. And as for the things and things where they play for inside with nation Nigeria regarding the situations for inside Rivers State, it can just be like Indian proverb. And the proverb they yarn say, if somebody they sleep, like if somebody they sleep genuinely, if you wake the person up easily, But if person dey pretend to sleep, before you go wake that person up is very difficult. And now the key actors for inside we nation Nigeria, from the executive to the legislature, the judiciary and the senate and others, all of them they know the correct thing to do, but they refuse to do am. The men now they pretend as if they dey sleep, and it's very much difficult to wake person wey dey pretend to sleep. Them now they avoid to do the right thing, and that na a clear abuse of office and a clear abuse of power, cutting across from the three arms of government, from the executive to the parliament and the judiciary. And even before now, him wey be former president Goodluck Jonathan, him dey always plead with country people them. Him dey always plead with the men in government and citizens. Say whatever they do, make them try to do the right thing, because the thing go last affect everybody. Men for the government now feel the reason say their actions no go affect them, so say dem dey for the system, but no, the thing go affect everybody. And if men observe am, they go find out say currently Nigerian passport na something we say men no dey value again, and men no dey give Nigerians the kind treatment wey they supposed to dey receive at international airports them. Other countries now don dey look Nigeria less, and men dey reason say na because of yahoo wey dey for Nigeria, because of say Nigeria boys now too dey do 419. No be only that one dey cause am. Another big part of the problem na decisions wey the executive arm of government plus the parliament and the judiciary dey take. That decision dey affect everybody. For example, no businessman go carry money come invest for country where the judiciary is very much compromised. No businessman go invest for country where dictatorship don even enter judiciary. No businessman go invest for country where economy no make sense at all. So last men wey dey for the government gats realize say their actions follow for the things wey make country people dey where we dey today, and they gats realize say na everybody na the thing dey affect. So if we want to build a better nation, if we want to build a country where children and grandchildren go fit survive, men gats start to dey do what is right. In say whether you dey hold an executive office as a president or as a minister or as a governor or a civil servant, an executive, whether you dey hold an office in the parliament, whether na senator or house of representative, whether you be judicial officer for high court or appellate court, you must strive to do the right thing. You must build a nation that our children will be proud of. And last, change dey require sustained commitment plus collective action and unwavering dedication to the values wey dey promote good governance. And it go also make sense if men recognize say change na a shared responsibility, and it dey require the active participation and engagement of all stakeholders, including civil society plus the private sector and government them. So this, my good people, now all of the levels where Goodluck Jonathan talk about the matter wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria, especially the River State crisis. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this information and you would like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news they come your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. And I beg try make you share the update them, they give your family and friends, make them too know wetin dey play for inside we nation Nigeria. Now me they come back again with more reports, with more news for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.